Good Sunday, everyone. I want to jump on here and give you a look at the week ahead, just to kind of let you know what to expect as we get into this first week of December. I know there's talk of the snow flurries on Wednesday morning. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. First of all, this is the weather map for Monday. So you'll see some showers across portions of Tennessee. Areas closer to the Tennessee-Kentucky border will have a better chance for those showers than those of us that may be a little bit farther away from that border. But all of us have a 20 to 30% chance for an isolated shower. Elsewhere across the country, we see snowflakes flying like crazy up across portions of Maine. More snowflakes flying across the upper Midwest, and yet another storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest, all part of this very active pattern that we've now entered in. And this is current snowfall across the country for those of you who are snow lovers and want to know who's getting the snow. Well, I'll tell you who. It's portions of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, upstate New York. Got a little bit of snow across portions of the Midwest, as you see there. And then plenty of snow out in the Rocky Mountains, especially across the higher elevations. Looking at our 5-day forecast, with that 30% chance for a shower. Monday morning, highs only around 50. Probably see some peaks of sunshine by the afternoon and evening. Tuesday, clouds and sun. Clouds will be increasing, especially as we get later into the day. Ahead of our next system that will be bringing us the potential for some showers late Tuesday night, snow flurries Wednesday morning. Highs around 50 on Tuesday, but that system ushers in some colder air, keeping us only around 40 for a high on Wednesday. Some of us may not even get out of the upper 30s. It'll be windy on Tuesday and it'll be windy on Wednesday, but that wind on Wednesday is going to carry quite the bite to it, with temperatures being as chilly as they are. And again, some flurries are definitely possible Wednesday morning. Moisture is limited with this system, but anything that's left over Wednesday morning will fall in the form of flurries. I'm not looking at any accumulation at this point, but I will keep you posted. Thursday and Friday looking mostly sunny, highs around 50 on Thursday, mid-50s on Friday. This is a weather map for Wednesday morning. This is what we call the 500 millibar map, which is, I won't go into too many details with it, but it's a very useful map in seeing, what kind of precipitation we can expect, especially with winter weather events. You'll notice those lines are drawn in a northwest to southeast fashion. That's showing that we're going to have northwest winds. Also notice how we're chilly in the east, but already warm air building out west. That warm air is going to be quick to move right back in here on Thursday. But on Wednesday, we got that northwest flow, as we call it. Northwest winds striking the Cumberland Plateau can sometimes enhance the rising motion of air and squeeze out some snowflakes. So the Cumberland Plateau is oriented from southwest to northeast. And so when these northwest winds hit us, they're at a 90-degree angle, which is the maximum angle for increased uplift. So any moisture at all that's left over Wednesday morning should fall in the form of some snowflakes. So it'll be interesting to see how that pans out. I do want to remind you there is a Weather 101 class being offered by the National Weather Service in Nashville. These are very interesting courses. They're free. They last about an hour. This one starts at 7 p.m. You do have to register. Go to weather.gov/ohx/weather101. They are very interesting classes. You'll learn about El Nino, La Nina, and of course we're going into a strong El Nino winter, which I'll be publishing my newsletter for Meteorologist Mark in about a week or so, and I have a short little article on there about what I now expect from a strong El Nino winter for our neck of the woods, including what I expect for the coming spring with this pattern. So you'll want to stay tuned for that, and I'll make an announcement when that newsletter is published. Some exciting news on this Sunday. This afternoon, I hit 1 million views on meteorologistmark.com. That is so stinking exciting. I never dreamed I'd ever have 1 million views to my website, guys. And we've topped it today. So how cool. This started in June of 2017, had about 400 views that month. That was mainly from my coworkers at Trade-A-Plane and Mom. So it is what it is, right? So, but nowadays, so many more people are viewing it. Don't forget, you can see storm reports now at meteorologistmarkpro.com. Those will update nearly live. So that'll be cool to see when winter weather happens or when spring severe weather season comes along. So that's also where my newsletter will be published. I'll give you all that information as it becomes available as we come into the next few weeks and months. So that'll be kind of cool. Sorry I didn't get on here Wednesday night. I know I said I'd be on here Wednesday nights and Sunday nights, but this last Wednesday night was my Meteorologist Mark Kids class at Roan State. The class filled up. We learned all about snow, made snowflakes and snow globes. What a great time that was. I'll be doing another class like that for the kids in the spring on severe weather, so stay tuned for that. You folks have a wonderful week ahead. Keep looking up. To keep up with all the crazy weather, you know what to do. Meteorologistmark.com.